Hey YouTube, it's Mystery Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas. Check it out. We're here on the Boardwalk. This is deck 6. Alright, let's head out these doors and check out the Boardwalk. They got these cool wooden blocks here that show the progression. How they make carousel animals. This is pretty neat. How you can see how they're made from a block of wood into a beloved carousel animal. He's talking to me. Yeah. And we got the carousel. An actual carousel on a cruise ship. On the right side is Playmakers, kind of like a sports bar. It is a small fee to eat at Playmakers, but let me tell you, the onion ring tower and the chicken wings are worth the price of admission. And that's here, Playmakers. On the opposite side, here on the starboard side, is Johnny Rockets. Kind of like fashioned, kind of like an old style, like not really a drive-in, but like a food truck. And here's the ultimate abyss. You start up there on deck 15. You come down here, and here's the landing on deck 6. It's a dry slide, so you don't get wet when you ride it. And in the background is the AquaTheater. On the Symphony, they have a wonderful AquaTheater show called Hero. You should check that out. And here it is, the carousel. This is quite impressive to have on a cruise ship. Yes, the Boardwalk, deck 6 on Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas. And this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969. Hopefully you liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Thanks for watching.